In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey using Microsoft Forms. Whether you're new to Microsoft Forms or just looking to streamline your data collection process, this quick guide will help get you started. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Microsoft Forms. If you have a Microsoft account, you'll want to log in to access all the features available to you. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by the main dashboard. Here, you have the opportunity to create and design your forms from scratch, but one of the real time-saving features is the vast array of pre-made templates available. On the main page, look for the option labeled Template Gallery. This gallery provides a collection of pre-designed forms that cover a wide range of needs from business to education and everything in between. Navigating to this section can save you a lot of time, as these templates are fully customizable and can be adjusted to fit your specific requirements. As you browse through the templates, you'll see various options available. Study them to find one that positions you closest to your goal or offers a layout that appeals to you. Once you find the template you'd like to use, simply click on it to start customizing. Let's say, for instance, you've decided on the Customer Satisfaction Survey template. Clicking on this template will open it up, and you'll be able to start making any necessary tweaks to fit your particular survey needs. When working with templates, it's important to remember that you have the freedom to change any of the content. This includes editing questions, changing the order, and even adding new sections. The better you tailor it to your audience's needs, the more effective your survey will be. While some templates will fit what you want out of the box, never hesitate to make them your own to ensure you gather the most valuable data possible. After customizing your survey to your satisfaction, Microsoft Forms makes it easy to share it with your intended audience. You can generate a link to share via email, embed it on a website, or even integrate it with your organizational tools, making the distribution process seamless and efficient. That's all there is to it. Creating a survey using Microsoft Forms can be a straightforward task when leveraging the power of templates and the intuitive design tools at your disposal. With just a few clicks, you have a professional quality survey ready to collect the insights you need. I hope this guide was helpful and you're now ready to create your own surveys with confidence. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you familiarize yourself with the platform, the faster and more adept you'll become. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy surveying.